最在一个他，个做sam朋热的，宁lumtur ngayin kesan, mengejui merah cum ke hai ning chỉ man hai ra bom ke ta beli, hung ke mang sao ni lấy xa khi xa de ra samphang xa đâu, o ara imi ring cari ta shun shon ke kenang cari na kam guisa bangu selu melai sep si gavu ke hau da ma quy ma one room lui nào sợ ô cơ truy can de ring cơ pa cơ hô cơ xin rầm li hun cơ mang nhớ sao ni lấy xa khi xa de ra samphang xa đâu, o ara imi ring cari ta shon shon ke kenang cari na kam guisai. Here I stand, all alone. Here of my mind turned to stone. Here of my heart filled up with ice. To avoid this, break and try. And thanks to you, my dear old friend, but you can't help this is the end of a tale that wasn't right. With my heart, with my soul, I really hate to pay this toll. Should be strong, young and poor, but the only thing I feel is pain. It's alright, we'd stay friends, trusting in my confidence. Let's just say it's just alright. I won't have no sleep tonight. With my heart, with my soul, I really hate to pay this toll. Should be strong, young and poor, but the only thing I feel is pain. saben.
Check, check. Aring zinwi ranye hi razang hayan tum saiko rele khangkawak sangai le program hi atam chala kai na mahau phokdar thura mi mara pai rang gi lai hau kala program we ran ngi sa da klei atam kshega ngai mi holo hi kshega lungli kup sangora kala itum hau phok vai sausa program hi mahau phok chau rang laga ina acha program hi we ran ye hi we event partners bing we maram ni tiau mai ka hang mi ngai dele atum hi we manga aina itum acha ran ye hi sa ka shapna chena atum ni chung ka ning shi ina remakeup ta RDLM Brothers Private Limited hina event partner akang sami dele ka khaniali El Shang ka thumali Meipung Productions ka shad kamatiali Izo ka House Services Dinpay Studio Ahor MaySix Konyo Hills Rooster Shimshim Computer Works Downtown Cafe UFC Gym kala achewi ranye hiwi wang the special salakai cake aka ngaran medley jina Gil's Dream Bake na samidley online li order sami paira birthday any kind of celebration anniversary ka thaula da hang midley aju program hili mathai ma cham khawai maru chang khawai da Tangkhul Football Players Association kala organizing committee na snacks and drinks si kala mai na hai medley self serve na ka chi chawi darkar sa chi wa khimilo ka chi hila hang sangai dle program hi ka shakala laga how pok vai saura cheni thum sai kor na ka shakamang khang mi sausa thank you razangaya itum psychorally achu ranye we maso sami de kida clay kala guest of honor we kala ani we shok zang la tiomai ka hangji thei ngai dele achu we ranye hi we khyashi khnia maso hi khuira ngalangzar sario veteran footballer ne he 1961 to 1964 he Nisa club ling reu sai kala zeleng wrongly 1965 ling reu sai ana awi last Kanao Sada Awi tournament 1961 is CC meet as a player of Tangkhul Sporting Association participate sai kala All India School meet Katak Orissa lila 1961 li represent sai kala ajo guest of honor he Queer Maraipam Kusomoshi retired police officer anina ajo chief guest kala guest of honor he samidlaye Kiashik nya queer kanilik chung kaning shi na new ragzang mga aina na new presence yu mga aina ranya hi mopung kapang sarag jila hang sangai dile share Tangkhul Football Players Association we Award Night 2022 hili as award mi shokki ji chung khalai lei Tangkhul wili kai khang khaya program ka ranya ka ngasad lei as hi Tangkhul ISL players pingli felicitate sakami sampamra kala ashik hili tang ashimi kathum lei lei khani thot kathum thalaga ngreu zadak lei kala top league players league top league ling real khaya players pingla felicitate samira top league ling real khai jiga India we I League or ISL real khai pingli felicitate samira outstanding contribution to football itumi society li football real da kle hili contribute sami khai itumi khang real hili ngchon mi khai ktom mi khai pingli la felicitate samira kala Tangkhul we society hili shnau ngreu chatak leila leidelaye athumli felicitate samira kala outstanding individuals Tangkhul we football ngreu da klewa along hili outstanding excellence ala kaina chatak le athum individuals kai khalila felicitate samira National Institute of Sports we coaches pinglila felicitate samira kala India li represent saga haya khangreu naw pingli felicitate samik bai leidelaye kala aju matala khaya award ayurmati migidelaye Chiping Jiva Emerging Player of the Year Himira Kakaniali Fans Player of the Year Kakatumali Players Player of the Year Damira Kamatiali Player of the Year 2022 the award ping Himira Kala Kanawasada Tangkhul Football Players Association Team of the Year the award ping hi Mikidalaye Aja Kangreona Razang Hain Tum Saikorali Kamahang Sarno Ari hi Players Player of the Year we voting vote hi sang mohun da leye jaina masang rang ji ping lei kala na thumna atam khuimilo kala kachichana yang jak ka hipa hinash kum thamai thui ji sang milo kachi ka thana naklata nanam thamai thui dang rewe ji sa le kala naklata la sang baira ka tong go wang open sa da le award mi gi da klei hili emerging player of the year he under 18 players being top leveling Rosa Duglabing Migi Jine. He 70% of the vote he jury na decide Sarah. Kala 30% hina online poll, Facebook li poll kukwiji we aina kwira. Kala fans player of the year he purely fans being na vote kasa Facebook. Tangkhul Football Players Association we Facebook page li poll kasa chi aina award he mira. Players player of the year hinawa. Players registered sag hyping na atumui ninga chang atishura vote sang laga chumui tui sang pang bajina award hi sang pang sang pangra player of the year award hi laga 70% of the voted jury na decide sara 30% hina fans we poll we na kuira TFPA team of the year hiwa solely jury ping na decide sara hita the award acha interesting salak hai chung khalai leye kala itum award kami mang maning la acha itumli special number last sak aina itumli entertain sagi ji mi phukchung kala raza ngai dele ina mi pingjiwa aming share sami ke karesada LS ungnayo and ban atumna itumli entertain samira ka khaniali kuirum la winso chamroy ka kuthumali kuira help sanvara ari cham adna itumli la lasak ena satiteire atumna itumli aj program hiwa alongli kuchunga entertain samira kala ashama program formal program ku khautili itum phasak phazara itum dinner ngaran medley chikwing room se chikukup shida aj DJ night leidle DJ night hi kuira Augustine El Shimre and perform samira rimpala kaya program asara da shitsange itum ko tonga how ko phok aina thuilaga ka tangai na tangda changrum serse ari kshakale laga former programs program hi khika khwai sa ori itum tona kshaka khami sa sai thank you check 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 lấy khả ngzin là khó cái yar khó cái bình lấy khả ngzin lấy khả ngzin thay cái là Football Players Association being we members being jadi energetic sa lagai na pening sa jene lei khyang zin itu ma chon thang jam shirogli krokai laga ina pang mai fai sala. All right, Tangkhul Football Players Association we award night 2022 li ranye hili tum ko tongali welcome sa dale itum ko tongali ring pa mai sirano ring ka pa program ga sarano 2021-2022 season here ishi Tangkhul now being wang thak chui khamai mathak sang matai sang season a khang sai da hangai Tangkhul we mai ser ne chung ring phai a chi Tangkhul Football Players Association na organize sami da kle award night hi ngai khang khai program ranya a khang sai ti FPA li chung ga ning she chat yu ka te na yang ra la ka khang shana kala itum la sak ngayang da chan khang chan na ranye a khane janang chung ga ning shi ring phai ka te na ma sa khar Tangkhul na ni tha da sa da klei hi kala ma chala ga na a chi hi Tangkhul with footballers being kan thing reo da klei bing tum ko tong li special welcome sangai da le ranye hi a chi na thum wi wang ni tum ring pha khilo award sang bang gi da klei bing or players ko tong li best wishes mi ngai ranye hi ma ho phok chau rang la ga as a footballers razang da klei tum ko tong le akshida yaroi itum ping na welcome sa khwingai no tum nang ning da klei apam da klei apam chiwaina khang ning ga milo itum na akshida welcome sa khwingai Tangkhul now football reo da klei ping sai ko runa akshida khang ning ga milo. Yes itum pang phem bi ser se pang la kai na thank you so much ning share pomilo itum Tangkhul we mai kan thing reo la ka in every platform sam go phangli atum na itum we mai chung ka khanga mi dele tum ko tong li ma hai me no best wishes na tum li mingai la kala na tum ka zat ka kar gi da reo ga zali Tangkhul li mai khanga mi da kle wang chung ka ning shi ka zat ka kar gi da Tangkhul naw ne gi ji mam lai hai lak lo gi la hang sangai are itum na ranya hi maron da chatak vai sa se aring zinwi ranya sorintan haure in a than mire achu mo so hi kuira nglangjar sario veteran footballer nang sami dalaye guest of honor hi kuira ngai pam ko somoshi retired police officer and guest of honor sami dalaye ari tumna program hi chatak vai sa se jena in a opening prayer hi kuira reverend Veremi Zinkai apam hilikalaga sa asami vai wang request sa dalaye.
Siasa se kazingram diklaya tharkam thenga program Tangkhul Football Players Association award night singakvai itum sai korali hikta khamatha zinatam khamiwang ramai thuida nawi mingli itum nam sot mit leye Tangkhul le deklaya football players pingwi kasok kazang atumli right encourage sami fai atumli apong phami fai prohonana lingami kai association chuwangla itumna masot khia prohonali mitleye linga kai association hina atam gida shokra da kre klang reusa da klai players pingwi wang so coming sarano atumi commitment jeli a dozen va shungjauda from salagai ning shopwi ra otsa kuklungji sami faila association chuwang sia samitle atomi kshok gzang mawa gbai mong gbai kchung le sare prona na so miauda ra football players buwang light aksada ngning chingje association in samilo da hyawang le sha sa de le atum kchiveli pronoi sokmi ta shumilo club hovra Tangkhul luyam le football ng real sa tekle players sai kurowi mirin la wita noi pang le horsang mit le atum le football ng real te skill talent pro na kamine na kami talent skill pasa kamata yang bangshop pro sichin lega real sa tekle ne tada rana ili lumishan kami wang rana ili football ng real te wi talent kami wang ai ne inang real shop ne inang real gzat ne gje player ki pan kala mamla haila nali gthaya mi avang sa faila proho nali khangji uklung nali thaitan khamai wi thangmet awor tasung mi faila siyasat le athumli atham ji da proho yang pangshop pasa khamtha atham ji da tasung milo skill talent ma thai me da pro na hero milo athum khlatter ra self discipline player of apostle paul na khang thada I beat my body and make it my slave. Iwa pasahili, iwi rao ina sangsaki, iwa pasahili nang pig lega, iwa pasawi ning shanghili, ra iwa atishu na maringaila, kaya iwa pasawi ning shanghili ina pig lega, ina shaw lega, ra iwa rao sangsaki jitada. Player kachivana, ra atum pasawi rao mangsaila, atum pasawi mastra kang sada, self-discipline player avang sakfaila, atum wang le siasa midle. Sai kurihi rano ming tem te fain saronok ji tu musyak sane rani shlagaire arwe award night hili razan khaya usot now ping footballers ping itu mui maso guest of honor glo officials ping invited ping itum sai kurele pronan apom hili chimrena thanar khmi wang nali masot kya ning shimit lai itum program hi hapoko ge nan razan milo na gazang programming sagay na niyang khung programming sagay da ito ma programming mau program laga remay tuida no yo pangli hosan kamine just shumingly amen
in share reverend very amazing kaili se am talai sami khai chuwang aja program hi lumlaula khaya program sang sakse church ligabam community holy meeting gabam ngai nam pam sai aje award night ne celebrate sagi ji ya ranye ne chen ei thum ko tonga ring pham tham reo la kai na sangkhui se ji hi thum li hang sangai ari thum program hi next hi interesting sala khai akhlei de le Tangkhul Football Players Association we office bearers pingli ya really jithei mi ngai de le ashi association hina programs ranye chung ka kai re activity chung ka kai re kala ach program ka da klehila atum we effort atum energy atum nak chung ka atum we sak thei wa ka thei potential ji chin ka sami da klene ya really introduce sak mi dar kar sai ya ruina akipa ji ka thei dar kar sai kala atum we now the odd manga khui wa gi li itum ka tom thei mai khwai wang da atam mi khungai da le chena ina ashi office bearers being le avava aming home ke na thumna stage le ka kamilo chi hi request sangai de le okay we make up the president when how poko say president hi queer raising me vashum yarina panga phelaga welcome sami say on the stage le ka kamilo ka khania sada queer raising pemi ka somoshi vice president ashi vice president phanga le de le ka khania le zenit mashangwa Vice President, Queer Tangsomi Riva, Vice President, Queer Rollingson Humyo, Vice President, Queer Ngaraipam Kosomhung, Vice President, General Secretary Queer Wargachan Shatsang, Joint Secretary Queer Ungnao Shang Mashangve, Finance Secretary Queer Yermi Peishang, Technical Director Queer Tinganing Pinao. Tangkhul Football Players Association we office bearers pingne yarina panglak aina ka phemi laka welcome sakhui se atum banga aina acha award night hile itum organize shabda kleine atum chatwa ki ji manga mahai meruno ji la wi sangai de le ashi group photo laka khuimang wa ni ji iphatta myo ge akshida ile khuyol yo Tangkhul we yar khok ping mangi atum we every field atuna participate sa kai ngriau khai li mai khia samphang ka haya yar khok ping mangi mamalai mi hailo atum na Tangkhul ik chung ka serve sawa fura atum hi retired chair ne ka thasala la khuni tot ka chung ka li siam da le ning share yar na pang lai ka phem yo se in a ari hi kuira raisang mi vashumli anamata chaw rang laga sangapang tui kala pangran sami khwai atam hi miau ke na no atam chi kha khui miau lo.
A very good evening to our distinguished guests, our trailblazer in football, well-wishers, and dear ladies and gentlemen. On this outset, I would like to extend my gratitude to our good Lord for giving the FPA the opportunity to host our second award night 2022. And for keeping us well through the global pandemic. This evening, I'm proud to be here in front of you because I have started seeing the progressive change football has brought in the community. I have seen rising stars. I have seen individuals and collective efforts to bring better facilities in football. I have seen a community that is now beginning to embrace football. So for this, I want to congratulate you all for being a part of this change, for which I'm certain the generations to come will be grateful to you all. Well, I have a lot of things to say. I will cut it short. I want to take this opportunity today to put forward our plight to the leaders of our community about the absence of a well-maintained football ground. Well, we have noticed how our youngsters are excelling in football, playing ISL, I-League. It pains my heart that today we are unable to give our young football aspirants the playground they deserve. The impact of sport is well known, even without my sayings, and the importance cannot be stressed enough. Thus, I implore you to give our youngsters the space they need so that they can grow. And my dear friends of the football fraternity, while we urge our leader to help, we must also do our part. We must continue to uphold our integrity so that the future generations of footballers will enjoy the facilities we could not. This is a collective effort. We must all do our part. And on that note, I would like to once again welcome each one of you to the award night. Thank you for coming. Have a very good evening.
Thank you. I would like to request the President to kindly remain standing on the stage. Arihi TFPA na ngaran khai pangran tiomai ka sangai dle chena President na apom jilipom la thalaga khangaran miorono ina mipu kai khawi aming pashok mike na thuna chingra da stage likal ka khaka khui milo Rumikap da ajui maso sami da klaya kuirang langzar sario veteran footballer ali pangran sami ngai le chen na kala ka stage lika ka pangran ka khimila. Kuira ngalangzar sario hi 1961 to 1964 ni saling rewa kala 1965 li zileng rongling rewa Tangkhul Sporting Association we representative of 1961 li sisi meet li la rewa kala All India School meet li Kathak li khangrew Orissa Kathak li khangrew li la participate samia aje na maso sa da ranye li razang mi da klewang chung kaning shi phongshok tale Ning shere ka khania sada guest of honor sami dakle queer ngarai pamko somoshi retired police officer kala football enthusiast nan la stage likala ka pangran hi ka khuimila Ning shere queer ngarai pamko somoshili. Next up, I would like to request Mr. Renedy Singh, former international player and the president of Football Players Association of India, to kindly accept the token of love and appreciation prepared by the TFPA. Thank you so much. It's an honor to have your presence in this program. Next, I would like to request Mr. Goramangi Singh, former international player and the proprietor of Cargo Football Academy, to kindly accept the love and appreciation arranged by TFPA. Thank you so much, Mr. Singh. Your presence here is an honor for us. Presentation ni moron moron sa takwai sa se in a queer horchingam shimre ajo DJ samiki da clay pali request sangay dele stage li kalaga TFP nang ran me da clay presentation ni ka kwimikwai. DJ being wakang achane kahai plongai kikom thamne our flexibility hunger stay ne angran angye hi thak maida sa achat na wa pai khwai wang in a mi ping hi pa shok mi mamano ke na thum la shok mi khwai ngaran mi maman lo kuira horchingam shimre we nextly kuirum la win so charmroy ach itumli perform sami kita kline an la ready sami salo She is Miss Windsor Chamroy, an artist and a performer. She'll be presenting us with special numbers today. Our nextly Miss Kapenau Shirak actually decoration hili ngchon mi khaiwa. Okay, ari itu mangali mazar amazang ture jena Reverend Bremi Zingkai hawpok sa sami khai Reverend nali panglan sami gadele na nakakakwimilo. Nextly itumli kokupui saiha sami gidak laya kuira homri shang moinau Youth Secretary TBCA anala kakamilo. Hiwati jangli kuira helpson vara footballer kala la satai la khaya yar shwa khane helpson nala stage lika laga kaka khimilo actually helpson with fans chung bai thui dele ning share kanawa sada TFP na Sorintan hawe idila kamira the list hora dele ila kaka khyo ke ning share Pangran gasa jina kukuk saire kuira raisang mi bashum the president of TFP and alik chung kaning shi itung tongana kuchung na thaida leire kuira raisang mi bashum hi ting song khuwe ne India we kala international level the highest level le ngriau khaya kala Tangkhul na we wangda mai chung ka khanga khaya ya khoka khane a hi retire sa khau thili sai kama pom haila itum Tangkhul na ping khani thot semra da ot kuchung ka sa dale no shongza ma hai mer no ji la wi sangai dale Ari tumna special performance aka yang room kfai nganang room kfa ka sase sause jena kuirum la winso chamroy nali stage li request sadale nana no atam ka kwimilo Yaruina panga pelaga kuirum la winso chamroy li welcome sakwi sir say thank you Winso na prepare sama man delay laga ajui event partners ping tiomeka atuma aming jitemi ngai delay kare sada UFC gym downtown cafe Shimshim Computer Works Konyo Hills Rooster Ahor MaySix Tinpei Studio House Services Izo Mayprum Productions El Shang RDLM Brothers Private Limited kala event partners being mangming la acha itumli Tangkhul football players award night hili Gil's dream bake na cake la ngaran me dele itum ashama shai palaga ni shai kuila sampang say kala kaji kathana any celebration birthday or anniversary any program we want cake order sak ngai leka Gil's dream bake li order samilo sami paira ji la hangra dele Facebook page li Gil's dream bake the sampangra ji la mention sangai dele Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Winso Chamroy.
Hello, check. I've been told about living like a star, or to reach champagne and caviar, but no one ever showed me the reverse, and that really hurt, baby. Really hurt. They tried to sell your body and your soul. It's the price you pay for rock and roll. And no one understands it, how you feel, for it's so unreal. Oh, it's so unreal. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. When critics crucify your latest show, another drink and then you lose control. But then on stage I feel a fire burn, for it's not too late. I'm always on the run. I give it to you, babe, with all my heart, for it's not too late. Oh, it's not too late. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's an illusion. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thank you.
Miss Winsor Chamroy, Ningshik Jankadare, Lam Talagan Samire, original singer Balina Nam Tamai Saire, Junga Ningshi, Awang Pang Line Ashik Pemilushitsa. Thank you. Ashamana, La Samilushidra. All right, I would like to request Mr. Goramangi Singh, a former international football player, for a short speech. You may kindly take your time.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to Tangkhul Football Player Association for having me here. I would say it's a great honor for me to be here. And at the same time, I think you have Tangkhul Football Association. I think you have been doing a great job. So best wishes as always. And to all the players, the younger generations here, I think you all should consider yourself very fortunate that you have these seniors to support you from right through from the very beginning, because we all have to start somewhere, and I think you all are just about to start your career from here, and having this support, having the community support, having all people here, I think it's a great feeling knowing that you have so much to play for your family, to play for your friends. To play for your community, to play for the state, to play for, if you can, eventually you can make it to the national team. That's what I think we all dream about as a football player. So, there's no reason for you to have a two mind, whether I should make it or not. So just continue what you all have been doing, and best wishes as always. I mean, we all are here as a senior, as a former player. So we all are here. So anytime you are free, anytime you can reach out to us for anything, any small guidance here and there. So we all are there. So I think I can tell from my experience that football is the best job because not everyone can play football, but you all have the talent. So you all are pursuing to become a professional at some point some point in your career. So. Best wishes as always again, and it's a best job, it's a very short-lived career, but just keep working hard, and best wishes. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Gormangi Singh, for your kind words and your encouragement to the young players here. We look up to you with respect, and we will continue to do so, and best wishes in your future endeavors. And I would also now like to request Mr. Ranidhar Singh, the President of Football Players Association of India, for your short speech.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Tangkhul Players Football Association, for inviting me here. This is my second time. And my big respect to all the great personalities, to all the senior here, and to all the current players, ex-players, and the former future and the future stars. I know it's not easy at all for Tangkhul Football Players Association, not easy to bring everyone together, but you guys are doing it in spite of all the difficulties, but we just have to go on. And I would say there are three players in ISL, right? Chancho Horam, Moirang, and Hormipam. 3 players, and they're doing really great. But then from a place like this where you have got such talent, we can even produce more if you all are together, if you work together, I feel. So it's very, very difficult. Mangi is here, I'm here. We have played for 19 years. And then after coming back, we have started an academy. It's not easy, but we are working hard. So now I want to see more. I can see, I saw in the news that there are under 13 players playing in FC Bengaluru. He's a captain. He's doing well under 13, 3 or 4 players in Sudeba, in Minerva. But what about our thing? All the good players going out, but we need to have our own players playing from here. What about Ukul? Not just we just don't send out players outside to play football. Yes, some good one will go, but what about the players, thousands and thousands of talented players who are here? So why don't we, I know that brother is working really hard, Vasum and his friend is working really hard, but we have to do even more to create a platform for these young ones to get better and to have a good team from here. So now, whenever I see the ground over here, I feel sad. But this is the same thing for the last 40, 50 years, I feel. 2 years back, 3 years back, I was here and still the same. But why don't we all get together and do something? At least down there, in Imphal, at least even if you talk about a Classic Football Academy, I'm not saying that I am from Classic Football Academy. I'm saying that the grounds are much better and there are many players from Ukul and different parts and different districts are playing over there. And the same thing, Mangi has also started an academy 3 years back. So he is trying to give the best possible facilities or the platform so that everyone can come up. So let's not pull down each other. Mangi, we fight a lot in the ground whenever we were playing. Now we do play against each other, and we fight again over there. But we don't pull each other down. But we all need to compete against each other so that we get better. So with so many talented players from Manipur, we don't even have one proper good club, if you say. Neroka is there, Trau is there, but I feel that the coach is here also. He have done really well in the I-League, but we have to do it continuously. And to do it continuously, we need good players, we need young ones. If you talk about ISL is doing really well. Players are earning 1 crore, 2 crore. What about I-League? What about the second division? How much are they earning? What about the Manipur League? 9 months, they don't even get a salary. The official will talk about, oh yeah, we will pay you 1.5 lakh. They'll get 20, 30,000 after that. They don't even get a salary. That's why Tangkhul Players Association or Manipur Player Association is needed. Same thing happened when we were 1920. Baichung and me and Mangi was also there when we started thinking about having a Players Association. Why? Because when we were playing, suppose if I sign for 15 lakhs, they will pay 8 lakhs advance and the remaining, they just don't give. So now in those days as a player, we couldn't speak up. But now when you have a player association, you have a contract. How many players from here who is playing in Manipur League do have a contract? How many players? None. I know none. Except the Indian Super League players and I-League players. Rest of the Manipur League players, they don't even have a contract. Then if the clubs refuse to pay, how do you fight? So this is the same. If Tangkhul Football Players Association or Manipur Players Association, if we don't fight now, this will happen for next 50 years and football will not go anywhere. So yes, just keep going. I know Vasum and friends, Janet, please keep working in spite of all the difficulties. Just keep working. I'm sure we will get better. I'm really sure that we will get better. So if you talk about Classic Football Academy, when we come here 3 years back or 2 years back, we lost here. But now in last 1 year, we have beaten almost all the teams, starting from Neroka, starting from Trau, and all the teams. So now when I come back after playing for 19 years, I said, why don't we start an academy? I joined academy when I was in class 5, Tata Football Academy. Mangi was also there. So then why don't we start an academy? That was my challenge. And my challenge now is to compete with the best of India, to compete even in the Indian team. 1 or 2 players are here from Classic Football Academy. I'm sure Mangi is dreaming about that. Mangi, are you sure? I'm sure you are dreaming about that, to produce those players with our own from Manipur to fight against the best team in India. And we can, with the qualities that we have, we can. So let's all together and do it, and let's do something about this ground so that the young ones can get a proper facility. At least we are not talking about, so people who are staying in Reliance, they stay in a 5-star. Just ask the people, ask the players or Bengaluru, the facilities, the kids they are getting. But what about our kids who are here, who don't get a chance to go over there? What are they getting? Look at the ground. So let's do something. You know, I don't want to criticize, come and criticize here. I just want to support. I'm just requesting, let's all get together and do something for the future. 3 players from the place like this is not enough. I know that Dasoso started. Dasoso is our pioneer. But let's do something for the young ones. And young ones, I know people who are playing in Manipur League, don't give up. Just keep going. Just keep working. Just keep working. And it will help you, I'm sure. Someone up there is working your hard work, is seeing your hard work. So I'm sure you will get it. So even my friend here, Matan, he said he's also, trying to do something in Kamjong to start an academy over there also. So if every one of us, all the ex-players, if we all get together and work hard and have their own academies, just imagine in 5 years, if you all get together and work, we will see much better players than what we have. Yeah? And thank you once again. I just don't want to speak so much, but then again, this is what I feel. I feel that we have to do something for the young ones. So let's all get together again and let's fight to be the best. And let's make Ukhul one of the best teams. Let's make one team from here so that they started beating all of our teams in Manipur. At least to start with, and we can compete with the Indian teams. So thank you again, and have a nice evening. Thank you very much again, Tangkhul Football Players Association.
Thank you so much, Mr. Renidis Singh, for the inspirational message. Highlighting the reality is a motivation for every one of us, especially the young players. You are a role model for us. And thank you for your openness. We will continue to look for your guidance in the days to come. Thank you so much once again. Check. Okay. Itumna array kamataya programa klikuita vai sauce speech ngana mamandra award la mi mamandra la la ngana mamanjise. All right, now we will have the felicitation of Tangkhul ISL players. Tangkhul now already mentioned sa khai thada. Tangkhul now Indian Super League ling reo da klei ashi yar khoka yar shoka thumlei de Tangkhul Football Players Association ashi thumli felicitate samingai de le jena we'll have the short time for felicitation of Tangkhul ISL players. For this, I would like to request Mr. Renidis Singh and Mr. Goramangi Singh once again to the stage to help felicitate the ISL players. Itum kuchunga na thai ser da lei re ISL players ashikatum hi ina aming pashok mi ke na thunan thungwe apam we na stage lira mi khwai request sadale remekap da koira ungayam moirang ahi Bangalore United FC ling reodle yarina pankal phen ang soda ali welcome sami say Pun kuwe nane arwe ana Bangalore United FC lim talak aining reod le match kai clear na man of the match sampang laga mai khya kchung ka sampang ka Tangkhul le mai khanga khai kchung ka sampang le. Thank you so much. Ka khnia sada kuira chanso horam ana Mumbai City FC ling reod le ahi kachai kuwe nane Shere Kakatumasada Queer Hormipam River and Kerala Blasters Ling Reodale Ahi Ari Mongrum Rotu Taye Pomdelela. Oh yes, are we Amay Pomdele. Unfortunately Hormipam is not being able to be with us, so his brother will accept the gift on his behalf. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That will be the end of the felicitation. Okay. Ara laghang na vai salu shido se tio ko refresh sa vai like program hi manga tamaman vai sa se athang itum lila and troll samere queer helps on vara football ang rotation ne lala satation ne ali stage li actually welcome salu shit se helps on nana no atum kara khimilo.
Check.
Yarina helps on with actually the pang line pay me for say yes. Thank you.
can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and sympathize, and I'll never criticize all you ever meant to my life. I don't want to let you down, I don't want to lead you on, I don't want to hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a life anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. You deserve the chance, the kind of love I'm not sure I'm worthy of. Losing you is painful to me. I don't want to let you down, I don't want to lead you on, I don't want to hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a life anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. Can't live a life anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try, though it's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Helpson Vara. Thank you so much. And I'm sure it wouldn't be wrong to say that he's one of the most versatile football players of the Tangkhuls. He can sing, he can play, and he has much more talent than this. Right? He might be tough looking, but soft-hearted person. Thank you, Helpson. Okay, next up I would like to give time to Mr. Gif Raikan for a short speech. Gif Raikan short speech vivang atam kshaka mingai delaye itum Tangkhul the only Tangkhul with AIFF A license holder ne and Neroka FC coach sasaye Aizol FC lila kala Gokulam FC lila sporting director sasaye ajontang jam kupka haya Santos Trophy le Manipur with coach lang sasaye atam ka khimilo.
Premikapta Vrelin Shie Atam Sangha Witili Tangkhul Imaram Ukruli Iraq Zangne Tangkhul Ne Katala Talakawe Nasm Thishere Bring Pam Samilo
kukup ramne mapau ku Sanabadi district li napko pasiling so laga pam diklai ne ka issue ajuwe Tangkhul Football Players Association na ili lahita higatha atam kami higatha honor kami ningshie na tumli verna somiruno Tangkhul nawaga sada ila paninge katada Tangkhul naw pingi football li katada itum develop sa sikle katada siam sikle ta paninge ka mga naimada mga shomada marar thumane ka infali ka pambingwa thair lere iwi ina khangso player bing laga chung changdale ina ka siam la changdale mag siam la changdale ka ma siam la football bingwa football players ning chang bingwa tada ka ba bamre if Rakhana Masiam Lilla, Kababamre, if Rakhana Masiam Lilla, the success Sapamre, footballing Janghaka. Yes, Ila Tangkhul Nawasada, footballing Janglake, Isawu Shawana, Ili Mang Reoluda, Kachunga, Ili Happe, Katala, Reolaga, football coach Kone. Ningshnaire, Ariwi. Mangali sambang dakle award bingji ulama lag hai mi bingne futurely atumna Tangkhul imara mui national bingli example sagi jimi mangai na thumina sukui ga bai ga chungkhale ye itumna chena khotnalo ISL khangreu bing I litling Rogi Gizibing. Please, Natum Ningshang Milo, Mina Kahap Tui, Mina Kamashat Tui, Manganalo, Nana Sagi Ziji, Salo, Nana Paningizi Paninglo, Success Salo, now Schnaubing the Chungus of Radale, Jena Nixilakaire, Laga Kernobing Itumla. Imram Tangkhul Nawbing li katom se atumli mahab se atumli itumna katom laga atumai khawat katong aji tumna phakhui laga success sakwai sa se arwi Tangkhul Football Player Association sadak le hi ina yang laga tada lai shilake FIFA we achingli All India Football Federation lay the claine, Chili, she will Randy Sarna, President. Nextly, Tangkhul Player Association Mangai Kang Dem lay Lamane. Kazankhane, India Lee Tabra Taramgane. Can I late about? State late bako Tangkhul Football Player Association katene bako atope late bako aduna nang support to biro angang semse natra aduga sembina se thank you very much Randy brother aduga hojik ahum khange dana ISL da next year tara thuanje ko yana ko akoi maitei tambak di yam thukre dana natra 46 right 43 right adu Tangkhul hum kune ko next year to go, Tangkhul Tara Tuanje. Yarba. Thank you. So.
Ningshere Kuira Gift Rakanli, you are the pride of the Tangkhuls. Ningshe no odd manga atame temeruno, Tangkhul now Kanito Chumay Semerno, Nali Yankasia de Lay, Nanala. Mom lai lagla kani tot kung ka sem lagra kaji itumui kashi han shit kasangne ning shere aritum na short speech guest of honor when ganak vaisa se jene na queer ngorai pam ko somoshi retired police officer acho ranye hiwe guest of honor li no atam quick vai atam himidlai
Kayasi Kingia, Itumi Chief Case, Razangahaya, Players Ping, Hosa Mita Clay, Langmeda, Pastor Ping, some psycho really inilla, Iwing Pa, Salam Midale. Ilama Kangramiakang Sasa reader. Kara Kangrawena, Servial Kanyan reader Sagan. Ka at a Tangkhul Football Player Association, Mamla Ili, Horalaga, Tang Kaning Kangsak, Kalara Tom Kangsak Hitel in Palak. Ajan Matangra, Natum Sasali, Itumlang, Ning Chinke. Il football player sada violently around town violent town club Hilly, Shiro Lili 1980, 1983, 1990 Kutumji the Kwisambang. She itum Shiro Tata Sisimi Tang Rosing Kataba, mainly he thought itum clubbing Rolga Kuji, Chile the summer pony. At Tangkhul now, a yelling rocket he Tay Kasaya, Palak, Nia Lugger, Remus and Sangala Mikatona. Football list of Medicumide. China, nothing the Reokati, nothing with a man with the Mapping Melohi, Tangkhul. Kalara, Socrata Kale, couldn't talk me nothing the Tangi. Here, number so like Tangkhul Huxon Lakatui, Kajan shifting lately. Nothing psycho runner, Ningsalang Reomita, Kamang Kazawa, the Massas, player for a fit and high border. Discipline level, no way watcher. No coach, no manager, Kiasi. If don't go, Chicka Park Msadem. At my dear Satuma, Corum Kuchu, because she is Milim. Cheap is she among Waplum, Corum Table, Kiasi table, get him same say. Now she knows Sam Casse. Let them psycho really. In Palmer, Northern Wagner with the Calais, Chatwagita, Mangava, Merino, Rally along Swammer, Sasami, Tonda. Color it will. Aju football, Tangkhul Football Players Association Basilila, Hangai, and Tuna Kasasak, Chitain football retired as Hal, Tom Chingi, Hang Gatao, Nishilaka.
Ningshere, as a Ranya Huey. Guest of honor, Talagana, Kamatatui, Galatangamaitui, share Sami Haiwang, Queer Maripum Somoshi, no way, Otmanga, Temerno, itum Kunitoping Atam, which the Katomi Chinglo, which he mentioned Sangaidle. Aritumna, felicitation Atam Kukalu Shit Kavaisase. We'll have the time to felicitate a few of the individuals. Karesada, top league players, Tangkhul Football Players Association, Tangkhul now, top league ling Reok High, retired Sak Hai Bing. Professional Memorial Being Atomni Tiomeka felicitate Saming Idle, Jenna Hib felicitate Samik Vaivang in Achawi, guest of honor Samita Claya, Queer Maripam Gusomotion. Actually request Salio Gain in a stage Likalaga, me being Hilika felicitate Samilo. Okay. Ashi mi shinili mira. Remake the VS Willjoy. Ahi Mahindra United FC. Adam Jili National Football League that's at Saye. Lingreo Saye. Kalahi India we sub junior Kala junior represent Saye. Chena Queer VS Willjoy. Then Abam Jili Lekava. Then Gifty Kashop Ran Kawai request Sadale. Galika. Queer VS Willjoy in Malaya cover. Are we any family members rather like a shop in the pirate? Ning shere kakania sada queer Zenit Mashangva ahi a hell Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, Churchill Brothers, Mohun Bagan, Kala Shillong Lajong FC Lingreo Saye, Ari Ana TFPA with Vice President La Sami Delay, Ana Shokuka Kushokan Lo. Sada Queer Sochumi Rulang, Ana Chirag United, Kala Salgarkar FC Lingreo Saye, Kala Awi, Gaikang Haya, Achieve Menakana. Santos Trophy 2008 li top scorer sa da khuye with 13 goals. Ana upon li le ka shop milo kalika amazon marang le ka yes kuira hui go le amai bana shop mi no so chung mi releng ka than e amai bala mang ka jan mane riot league li thala ka na perform sa da ya show ka ne Achakum leng to FC Ling Railway, Ashkum Rinchu Highway, Club Owner Sadle. Thank you so much. Kamatiali, Queer Rollingson Hongyo, Pune FC, Kala Shillong Lajong FC Ling Railway, and a TFPA way, Vice President Lasami Dele. Upon Asada, Queer Resam Pemika Somoshi, Ala Pune FC, Kala Royal Wahindo FC Ling Railway, Awin Gaigang Kaya achievement akana. The youngest person, the youngest player to score in the Federation Cup at the age of 16 years and 11 months. India way record holder name. Thank you. Katuru Kali, Quira Ninglay Ting Kure, ala Churchill Brothers League, Ngereosaye, and la Pamli Shoglaga. Give me a shot of beer now. Ala retired player agang sa sala la khani thol ka chunga sem dale riot league ngrew tak le leng 2 FC we and club owner sa dale kashinya sa da queer nganing mi shimra ala Churchill Brothers league ngrew dale ngrew sai and la family ba makaba ka shop milo kalika amalaya ka awe shimkhur akana shop khumi paire queer nganing mi shimra Okay. In a president level, meaning by request okay. Next award ti mata cha orang laga in a queer gift raikan. The request sangai arwe ituna felicitate sami kidakle na ti omai kono John mi kai stage request sadle. Ituna arwe hi Tangkhul shnau ngariau zat dakle ani khani leidale ani le acknowledge sami ngai dale TFP na. Remake up the queerum la shanting shingnai sui. Ahi Kirbsa ling reodale shanting shingnai sui. Kala ahi kang reo na mangmaning la Ukrul District Sports Association, Ukrul District Referee Association we member la kang sadle referee la kane. Shere kakania sada Quirum la Chon Maya Mahung ahi Eastern Sporting Union le ngreodale anala kalaga gifti ka shokimirna kalika amale ka awishimkur na radale ka wa ka shokmaran khimilo Share Kuiro gift Raikon. Arui Daidakle award me President Limbi Kawai request Sadale. Arui outstanding contribution award the Semaidale. He we award in a key gladicover. Tangkhul we can take Rio Hilly, itum society li, Machon Mikahaya organizations Kuchonka Ladele, Tangkhul Football Players Association acknowledge Saming Idle. We make up the Ukrul District Sports Association, the apex sports body of the Tangkhuls of the Ukrul District. Various tournaments organized Samie, various sports, but Talagaina, football, hili, uplift Sakawai, Kuchunka, Odram Tsirami, Kuchunka Sava Pumfura, Jena, TFPA, acknowledge Saming Idle, Ukrul District Sports Association, we president or any executive Stradlake of a Koshokimirano. Quira Tennyson Payre, General Secretary, and Koshokimiolo. Shirui Lili National Level Sports li khangai la sanga difang sai aja kum thalagai na Ukhrul District Sports Association and Revive Samil Shite chungka ning shie kakania sada Hunpun Phungcham Football Association ashina kum gajida 6-a-side football tournament leishi panit ground li organize samilaga itum tangkuna kuchung khawiwang upgrade sak mya kang sai football tournament hiu manga aina na shi representative akana ko shop milo ning shere tournament hik thau hi manga aina khani thot ko chungkha level 3 khamali khawa samphangai ki hila mongwimra da hang sangai ko ko thumba sada District Youth Affairs and Sports Ukhrul District Hili Mingai de National any representative akana shoklaga ko shokwimilo District Youth Affairs and Sports na shiwi manga aina itum tangkuna ko chungkhali chui khamaya thakli khangami na thuna itum ko shokazang yang sambi bang chungkaning shi Kamatia Sada Pongyo Baptist Church kum kajida Christmas football tournament ngeryomi organize sami na shiu manga aina itum kuni thot khar thot kachungkha kan khana samphang khuye ji hila hangsangai ning shere Pongyo Baptist Church kapanga sada Ukhrul Brothers United Brothers Football Club sorry ashili a club hili felicitate sami ngai dele humoram na kigla jagava Manipur State legally qualified sire United Brothers Football Club Tangkhul we Ukhrul we represent Sara Ashina UBFC na shiwi president or any representative na shokwimilo Shere Katuro Gasada Kamjong District Football Association President or any executives na Koshokimilo KDFA Katara Association na Sasalala various football related programs kuchung ka kwikala ka od mga kwidalaye mga ali od mga od guru kuchung ka le fudalaye matami hongyo advisor of KDFA na thank you thank you so much Aro itum na outstanding individuals we felicitation in quick advice say itum Tangkhul we na kai khang haya achieve saga excellent individuals ko chungka leidele atum manga aina itum kni thought khar thought ko chungka inspire salaga itum tha khamai shogra ka hila ka hanshit ka sang le tena remake up the Dr. Somi Sariao is a football promoter, activist and an enthusiast. Atam gajida Tangkhul football league yang sangmi da klaya akane Dr. na shoklaga President we na give now ka shok ran khoi mirano Dr. Lee kuchung kaning shi any football tournament le khawaji tran Dr. Lee ka thaisam bang shonre he was always there kuchung kaning shi ida da itum le ka tom khamiu manga aina khani thot kuchung khala ringa phasam bangai program football tournament li wage hi tran la kuchung ka lansin pongai na la chon mi ka haile ning shi awole Shere Kuknia Sada Kuir Kongrekam Duidang, the first Tangkhul manager of an I-League club, which is Chao FC. Kuir Kongrekam Duidang, then upon the round of Shock Milo, Grihang Wenene. Okay, any representative na Shock Mi Baire, our Shinku Leila. Amay Kongrekam Duidang, we above Radale and accept Karasamilo, stage Lika Kamilo, yes. Kuni totally katong la khai kala kuni tot kuchunga sem ga haya yar show akane Mr. Kongrekam Duidang hi ning shere ko kathuma sada kuir unganing kashung the first Tangkhul AIFF match commissioner anala apamili le cover gift accept ka kasamilo thank you you so much. Kamatia Sada, Guira Tangsome Riva, the first Tangkhul International Academy coach. Anala Shoglaka gift accept Shok Samilo. Shere Natumna achieve Sada Clay, Itum Tongo, my serne, Jukumaya Taklikaro, Jilo, which sang I delay. Arui Kanao Sada Aka, Felicite Salwe House. National Institute of Sports with coaches Swingley, Tangkhul Football Players Association, Felicite Saming Idle, Aja Mifukanili, Felicite Saming Idle, Kare Sada, Queer late Minaumi Kashum. Ahi itum limang rumurture, Ka, Awishimku. Wena awishimku mi akana kalaka president wena ka accept samilo late ninaw mi kushungwe shimku akana okay Twitter oganing kushungna shimku on behalf of ka premier no Itung we Tangkhul kani thot bing lik chunga ot sami ka haya yar kho ka akhane ji hang sangai ka khania sada kuira peng mayong chang senior most coach at the district youth affairs and sports shuri wenane itumna legishena awo peng peng da hoye Tangkhul kani thot bing wanga awo hiklei wang chunga rikai and chunga contribute sami khai le Thank you so much, Mr. President. Our felicitation program, China felicitation we atam China kakubang asaire. In our experience, aga kasai kigla jika award ping felicitate give me shock moment like music hong kasang goosebump me je. Molung kutung sage ki akana just not the music. Ka hitada Tangkhul Tem thang mai la kaina kala itumli thak akali khanga mi dak lai mi phu hili stage akali ta da khangrum sangapang rania akali ta da khangrum sangapang program ta da khangrum sangapang he it's a good thing, it's a great feeling na thungwi sawa dak lai hi na thungwi wang mang maning la Tangkhul na ko tongwi wang ko ji mention sangai ji ni na thum the first amongst the Tangkhul ji dak lai hi na thum the first step khui mi khai ni na thumli ko chungka na thumwi phaichon ji yunra ma man no Tangkhul na thak juli wang mai ma man no ji mention sangai ji ni ning share Ari tumna chief guest achu masowo kuirang langzar sariaw veteran footballer ali atam mi ngai dele ana apam hilira laga na we short speech we wang atam ra khui mi kwai request sadale masowo na apam likhara mi rono
Ina kaya si kangiya legacia NFPA President Kala Ali Soda Kangaruma Executive Committee Ping Psychorally Iwi Ningapa Kala Ningasi Taraka Vidalai Tangkhul football player Aka Sahauda Chief Guest Sami Kawai Pokami Kaya Shikamiwi Wang Pingpa Ligapa Midalai Program hiwi officer bi kala ratang khaya ratang aida khalaya founder thing. Audience thing. Psycho Rui, Iwi, Vingapa, Salam Sali. Tangkhul state level, national level, color, international, li, Yautat, Kasari, color, Yarui, Arui, Nalev, Sat Kalay, recognize that with the award kami ringkapa ringfaya mingira kata kuya TFPA organizing committee aina sponsor sakami ping psychorally ningsia Mariana Somirino. Tangkhul canoe taught football, Lee Telen, Kalei Bing. Katomi the national level, Mangni Maningla, international level professional sada ngeriutat Hawaii Katomi Raksa Kanawali Iwi saya kasa aka kia Tangkhul ngeledi international stadium football stadium leida ayar ngelewi aina Rangariau nasak ngaya Tangkhul canoe taught 10 May Jui May Kala Ngatan May no
Ning shere maso queer ngalangzar sariao itum yari psychorana awo bang panglai na pang phemeo saksida ning she aroila ping pang lagai na itum manga khuni to ya ko manga lira laka kamatha tu rak satsang me wang awoli chung ka ning she okpoi me reno phasala khamtha mi da kala ari himang maningla chatwa gi da klei tum khuni tot ko chung kana yangra laga kamatha tam khui pa ya yar ko ka gang sa ching no ko ji awoli khana wa sa da wish sangai de le ning shere All right. Ya koka la webing. Array tumna. As ngayawi. One of the most important awards litak vaisase. As Tangkhul Football Players Association ngaranai da clay award aga chiva kigla jiga Emerging Player of the Year award hi arui mi shok vaisaura. Arui kamataya award ping hi Fans Player of the Year the lady Players Player of the Year award the lady TFPA 11 the lady kala matai mai thui the Player of the Year award 2022 the lady jen khresa the Emerging Player of the Year hi mira hi criteria na ka thaglas ka under 18 chingum thada chi shadwe azing highest leveling reo chadak leiping jile khami ka sane hi we judgment hi ka thada khuigla ka 70% hi jury na decision khuye kala 30% hi na online Facebook li TFPA we Facebook page li online poll khuye chi wana 30% ko khuig sane chena achu we achkum hi nominee hi matine Tangkhul Football Players Association nominate ka sahi ashi matine ina athungwe aming hi ava hangta mi ke kala khanawa sa da winner hi mi khawai sara Mr. Lemet Tangwa Kharesada ahi Chandigarh Football Academy li leid le ekala under 16 India came li participate sa khaya khangreu na khani thola khane ka khania sada kuira Tot ngayung hungyo ahi United Brothers Football Club li ngariaw dalaye aruhi kala kakathuma sada kuira ngarin shaiza Round Glass Football Punjab Football Club li ngariaw dalaye kala ahi ala under 16 India came li participate sa khaine kala khamatia sada kuira Blessing Kashing Yarkok United FC we player akane Ashimati li nominate kasane then Ashimati hiwing a chai li Emerging Player of the Year hi Miyakali Award side le Kibali mi marauli Kangreo na klam the mi bak pa ya la hi shong pa hi Kiba mi marauli Kiba na khui marauli ari mati ji wing chai le Yes, any guesses? All right, ari hi le itum tio mai ka thai mai ka kuira thot ngyo hungyo marali the issue hi le Yes, please stand from where you're seated. Yeah, really acknowledge sangai le. Yes, Ahor United Brothers Football Club please angdale. Thank you. Kakanya sada kuira ngarin shaiza marali do. Amalay lemne. Okay. Kuira lemet tangwa mazang le issue hile. All right. Kuira Blessing Kashing Yarkok United FC we player. Right. Ashimbati hina nominee hi. Okay. Ara award him mishok huwai in a President TFPA kala achu we so li request sangai li shidale award him shok khawai nanina apam li khakamilo All right, ladies and gentlemen, award he are we winner he in announce sami okay kada ishi ready masai rakle Yes, a tuk moment Kuni thought akasada hikta award sangapang hina awi wang kchunga motivate sang kasa sampangra awang la encouragement akang sare. All right, without further ado, the winner, Emerging Player of the Year 2022 is Queer Ngarin Shaiza. Round Glass Punjab FC with player akane. Ahi hilimale together ashu awi shimkur aka member akana kakakwimilo. Okay, Kuira Ngarin Shaiza we avava, the father of Mr. Ngarin Shaiza, who is a player of Round Glass Punjab FC, the Emerging Player of the Year 2022. Congratulations. All right, Arila, action right, Milagolo. Our chotla la kangao se ajiba. Sugar. All right, era Fans Player of the Year. He laid the layer. Fans Player of the Year. He Ajondang TFP and Ashu Facebook. Fans Player of the Year 2022. TFP and Ashu Facebook page li poll vote sang mi via update sai jan mi chunga vote ko khomla thaiba ba mai the chi fans we bang shap lag ni chi jena nominate mi thada ka sai mi thada ka nominate ka sajli winner aka ka pang khwe de le itum ko chunga na mathai samara but I would like to acknowledge this sala okay hi hello the request radale TFPA we executive park we na ta có ý có confirm sao quý vị ara ác hãy xả lại cho the next half em lấy từ cái tàu xí check. All right. Fans Player of the Year sugar. So we'll get down to Player of the Year award. Tangkhul now ngriau da clay. Players ko tong gana. vote sang laga player of the year ki ka pangkhwe de le tang khunang reo ka thai ka chung ka le chung chai le achkum ana deserve samai thue ng reo themai thue ki ji mya ka pangkhwe de le chena ya ripping ki pa na khwim rao le sorin ha ye football mong rong ko ya mi ma hang lo evening ne yo yes any guesses from the players na tum na vote ka sang da ki pa ma rao ha raisang mi I ala retire sai Amazon nezle ajawa khnu thot kikla ari hon hi awa ishi aja mo so long ngriyo fusi ja athum la khwe sa la bai ka ja khnu thot akali ka pang khwe de le player of the year 2022 goes to Mr. Hormipam Riva of the Kerala Blasters and ari hilimale thugida our family member akana shock laga ka shock khwi mi haulo well deserved, Mr. Hormipam Riva. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Ning shere maso kala president. Acha wurngam la hili kuchung shi kai re arma kalui lo hon thai agotong reo ka thai khale gi jiuring ka pha je ji ni je. All right. Ari award hili ishing samsara nextly itum kwika moman khwai sare jena itumna Ari hi special song akangana lu shit khwai sa say tough looking but soft hearted Mr. Helpsan Vara you're welcome again on the stage nana kalaga la akha ka samil shitlo
Romeo's played, but you girls who use blood. It's nothing but some feelings, that is all though kicked to. It's been raining since you left, now I'm drowning end of love. She always been a fine, but without you, I give up. I can sing a love song like the way it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's just me. And I will love you, baby, always, and I'll be there forever and always. I'll be there till the stars don't shine, till the heavens burst and the woods don't run, and when I die, you'll be on my mind, and I love you always. Now you can't left behind are just memories of a different life. Some that made us laugh, some that made us cry, or that made you have to say goodbye. While I get to run my fingers through your hair, to touch your lips, to hold you near. When you say you're free, trying to rule the street, I made mistakes, I'm just a man. When he holds you close, when he pulls you near, when you say some words you've been needing to hear, I wish I was here, those words are mine to say to you, till this time don't shine, and I will love you, baby, always, and I'll be there forever and always. If you told me to cry for you, I could. If you told me to die for you, I would. Take a look at my face, there's no price I won't pay to say these words to you. Well, there ain't no love and it's loaded dice, but baby, if we give it just one more try, we can pack our dreams and life. We'll find a place where the sunstone shines, and I will love you, baby, always, and I'll be there forever and to dream. Always, I'll be there till the sunstone shines, till the heavens burst and the world don't run, and when I die, you'll be on my mind, and I love you always. Thank you.
Zinguma, Shirok 2023 li helps an alarm saga im bamre. Only the Tangkhuls have such a versatile player, a professional player. Who would, I mean, apam ka daily where will you find a football player who can sing as beautiful as Helpsan Vara? Right. Nyong laki. Thank you so much, Helson, once again. It was indeed a very beautiful, powerful song. Ningshi Ringpai. All right, before we get down to the next award, Rajli, if we look at the mannequins with the jerseys, Tio Meka Hang Mingai Dele display Sadak Lehi, actually important Salakai event display side the jersey Katumi Maramli, Tio Meka Hang Mingai. The first one displayed. The lower one with the white jersey, it is of the United Brothers Football Club, who will be representing the Ukhrul district in the Manipur State League. United Brothers Football Club, give it up for them. Thank you so much. The one in the middle is the jersey of the Tangkhul Football Players Association. And the red jersey, the one on the right-hand side, it is of the Yarkok United Football Club. Yarkok with jersey ne, hidada malingla kaina football club laida clay kanihili TFPA na acknowledge sami da clay wang tung jung aning she club kani hikla TFPA wang tung na pang line ka phemi sa yaruina. Thank you so much. All right, atang pending ay na haghay Fans Player of the Year award kiji maramji hitada leisa jine. The Fans Player of the Year award has been postponed for a few minutes because Tioga importance in fans pingli. We want to acknowledge and honor the importance of the fans. Are we not just in this online poll, but throughout the career of the players? Jana, I would like to read out the nominees for the Fans Player of the Year award. Career is other nominate Sakai TFP and nominate Sakai player here. Queer Ungaya Muirang of the Bangalore United FC. Kaniale Queer Hormipam Riva of the Kerala Blasters. Kagutumale Queer Chanso Horam of the Mumbai City FC. Mr. Moyo Singh Kongrewashi of Srinidhi Deccan FC. Kapangali Tomyo El Shimre of Real Kashmir FC. Katurugali Peniel Shatsang of Yarkok United FC. Kashinali Mr. Yamilongba, KIYC, Kachadli Queer Somishon Shirak, KIYC, Kachkoli Queer Rinretan Shaiza, Aizol FC, Katarali Queer Tara Gajuo, Neroka FC, Kachadakali Mr. Kangam Horam Trau FC. Mi Chadakali nominate Kasane. Before we announce this winner, we would like to give thanks to all the fans who has participated in this poll. Ache natumna poll hili participate sakmi umanga aina Fans Player of the Year award mi kashabne natumi kakatom natumi encourage sakmi jile mi jinglo khnau khnali lagi hila hang sangai de. For this award to be given out, we would like to request Kuira Somatai Shaiza, former international player who is here amidst us. It's an honor to have you in this program of ours. We would like to request you to kindly come out to the stage and hand out the award. I would like to request the President to kindly accompany Kuira Somatai Shaiza. Thank you so much. Kare laga Kuira Somatai Shaiza is Bengali pom de laga hi ali awi hairstyle si pau lag jine hiran ga hai sa jine shinau go junga na thungli la sangmai sare ana yaina samsang so yang long hair so da sa jine ngi chingcham lak ke the hangjil but is one of the finest players the Tangkhul has ever produced. Thank you. Fans Player of the Year, Fans Player of the Year 2022 himi shokavai sause. And without further ado, I will be announcing the winner. The winner of Fans Player, yes, music khangrai lakne khongjo. Tuk tuk jiga hang shok siok tioga. Yeah. Fans Player of the Year 2022 goes to the Mumbai City FC player, Mr. Chanso Horam. Welcome you on the stage. Congratulations, Chanso. Yes. Ning shere Chanso la next year tio kam ningai tham mai salo chita fans being the ningai kam thai ne katom khai ne na kalui ka hor da kamilo. All right, we'll get down to the next award. I would request the President and Kuira Soso Shaiza to kindly bear with us and hand over the award. All right. Tangkhul Football Player Association Team of the Year hi mi shok khawai sau se yes music chi mang samare itum bomber khang reu mang li tuk tuk ma ji bai ne award khmya tam ni le itum tuk tuk hi sare. All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here are the TFPA Team of the Year. Firstly, Quira Tara Gachuo of Neroka Kakamilo. Kolaka Kai players big na cycling in English Hakbai or Arshama group photo by in by request sadly. Mr. Karagatua, goalkeeper ni goalkeeper. Yes. Thank you so much. The Kenya Sada Queer Formipam River of Kerala Blasters. In Mahana Urnam Kalire. Kakui Milishilo. Family member Akana. Okay, queer Tang Song. Okay, tot lo kim tham ne atam lately. Thank you. Over to Masada, queer Ungayam Muirang of Bangalore United FC. Tangkhul with best 11. Ajagumi Hangshok Midak Lake Sane. Thank you so much. Komatia Sada Queer Janso Horam, Mumbai City FC. Manila guy, ninga for guy. Thank you. All right. Kapanga Sada Queer Kangam Horam Trau FC winner. Shere Katuru Kasada Queer Mayosing Kongrewashi Trinity Deccan FC. Maralika, Maraka, Nasotnao, or any of the family members, Kakakwimilo. Chimku Marali. Okay. Thank you. Queer Ache Senior Meninda Queer Rolling Sanena. Queer Tang Sombi Wang Pura chance like ne. Manui Laka award in Masam Pong together, Mikate Kaku make a group photo Kazan always nani. Ka Ashama photographer na, a kui baji, which a cut player being with edit Sasang Miloji request how Garena. Much hope me papa say, mean a confused side by Shine. Alright. Kashinya Sada Real Kashmir FC winner, Queer Tomio El Shimre. Thank you so much. Kachishata Sada, Queer Rinraitan Shaiza of Aizol FC. Amalaya Ka Awi Shimkur Nusot now or Aruitada, retired football player. Group photo Lizan Kangakan Lakakumi Baira. Yes, Nusot now Akakarati. Shere, me to shut Chogare, me Tradakane, Tangkhul, we ask we best players being here. Alright, Kim Tam Kim, no, a quiz on me, Colonel Kani Matala. Nextly, Mr. Penel Shatsang of Yarkog United FC. Amaralido, Amaraka with Shimkur or any representative. Nusot Naula, Colonel Akanla, Nusot Nau Shokin. Hi, the Quimilo, yeah. Yes, Yarui Sheba Serne, Yarui Shebani on behalf of Quick Mihila. All right, Gatrali, Queer Yami Longva of KIYC. Yami Maralido. Amaraka. Awivang Shimkur or Sona Shokumi Baire. Yes, Aka Shograd Leye. Darina Pangapemi Wanse. Thank you. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, to complete the best 11 of TFPA Team of the Year, Queer Somishon Shirak of KIYC. Adondang Santos Tofili Kalak Ena perform Samiye Queer Somishon Shirak. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, the TFPA Team of the Year 2022. Give it up for this fabulous team. All right. Hurry here. I patta guys le ajay soina president anga group photo talaga na kumyo say kala ni shiu ju ku khaiwi thili best 11 with team photo aga pat kumyo say. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep applauding this fine team. After this, I would like to request Mr. Ranil Singh, Mr. Goromangir Singh, and Mr. Gifrai Khan to kindly step up to the stage and then take a group photo together, please. They will be cherishing the photos forever. Your presence will be an honor for them. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request the players to take a photo of the best TFPA Team of the Year. Thank you so much, Mr. Ranidhi Singh, Mr. Gifrai Khan, Mr. Gormangi Singh, and Mr. Soso Shaiza. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nyong lagay re ara itumna next award team matarang laga Miss Windsor Chamrawena la khang na shik faisa say, ladies and gentlemen, let us give it up for Miss Windsor Chamray for a special performance. Itum achu we ranye hi kupsang mamandalaye itum achu kubai laga Pazat akalang room re kipana kana moong mihailo itum pazat hing room serse ga rimpalaga na Tangkhul se pazat kuela galitum DJ night the lay DJ night karanau bing na kigla gaji lay cover pasa exercise sare la khong laga jimane ada as a footballer, as an athlete itum exercise kasadar kar sae chilang room serse gaji la request sangai le.
Hello, check. when we hit a certain cold, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, we know love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free, as God has shown us, and turning tongue to bread, so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all, but if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. Well, 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 let's realize that a change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Winsor Chamroy, for the beautiful number. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Miss Chamroy. Thank you so much. Kala, Ajay Sonala, inala closing remark. Lisa ngai the lam thalan swashok mi haywang yarina bang pe mi say. Thank you so much. All right. Just before we get down to the next program, I would like to give the time to Mr. Randy Singh. You may kindly take your time.
I am saying that also after a very long time, and I just want to say thank you, that's also for what you have done for me and all the players from Manipur in our days. 1996, 97, the way you have helped us, the way you have guided us, I think the younger lot, Muirang, and 2 players are there also. So yes, please guide them what Dasoso has done to us. I want you guys to do the same. The senior players, you have to guide them so that they can become a better players. So Dasoso, I'm really nice to see you. Keeping the politics aside, I have no interest on that. But I have to say thank you for what you have done for all the players in Manipur, not only for Ukul, for all over India. And if you see Kiran Kongsai and you are the pioneer, and we will always respect that. So please stay healthy. Yeah. And that's what I wanted to say. So thank you for giving me time, Dasu. So please stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the word of encouragement, wise word, and the advice. I'm sure respected Queer Somtai Shaiza will continue to do that. We all have high hope in him. All right. Ari, Zinwe. Important samai tui award litak vai sa se. We'll get down to the Player of the Year 2022. Yaruina hon jing jing later clay Player of the Year award he mishok vai sa se. Award he 70% he jury na decide say 30% he fans na decide say. Actually award being he kyang jitran fans with 30% he quitting the lego except Fans Player of the Year, 100% liquidity. So we fans are very important in deciding who the best player or who the award should go to. Participate. Say, all right, for this award to be given out, or just before that, nominee being in a Pashok Mingaye, the nominees, there are 7 nominees for this special award. I would like to read it out. Kare Sada Queer Rin Raitan Shaiza of the Aizol FC. Yarina Pangapemi Mamanse. Thank you. Kakania Sada Queer Tomyo El Shimre of Real Kashmir FC. Gagatumasada Queer Hormipam Riva of Kerala Blasters. Kamatiasada Queer Ungayam Muirang of Bangalore United FC. Queer Chanso Horam of Mumbai City FC. Queer Kangam Horam of Trau FC. And Queer Moyosing Kongrewashi of Srinidhi Deccan FC. All these 7 gentlemen were nominated for the Player of the Year 2022. Award himi shokavai in a ache we mosowo sami da klaya our Queer Langzar Saria only akshi the request salioke then a stage likalaka award he ka mi shok miolo President TFPA li request salioke ache we mosowo li muyurukami laka award himi shokavai sao seishi. All right. Yaribing, do you have any guesses who the award should go to, or Kipana Yum Rowley, award winner? Give me some names. All right. I guess Janso Ram Shok Delay. Some other guesses. Kim Tamne, Mangriola, Kayang Miserne, Kangrioning Sang Miserne, Young Me Ping Nalaka Hang Milo. Any guesses? All right, we've got 1 candidate. What about the rest? Award night next year. All right, without further ado, I would like to announce the winner of Player of the Year 2022. And the winner is, yes, Hormipam Riva of the Kerala Blasters. Thank you so much, Mr. Urungam Riva and Ashamaine Hormipam and collect Samuel award. Thank you so much, well deserved. Award President Junga Ningshere, award President Sami Kaiwang Ningshere. Itumna President Kala Kura issue Musoa and new one of Panglang Pemi say and in the stage they got taking the trouble award me Wang. All right, we have award Mikichi Mishok Serere, Aritum program which I'm Vaimaying Remoma now say just before we conclude, we have a very special number from LS Unayo and the band. So ashi set up ka sai atam teu mai ka zangra da hang da le then ashi na set up sama man da le ka fans request aji we Bon Jovi Mr. Helpson Varali la request aka salu shi da le na na la sami mo man da le ka queer Ella Sung Nao Yo and the band set up sami mo man log ji hi request sangai da le queer Helpson Vara nali Honda le stage li
Check, check.
talent phang huye bai Helson Varano lasa ne phang me khar sare football ro shwe gai nei
Ning Shere Helpson Nali. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Helpson Vara. Career choice li hui nak haim le mene. La sa va pai shon de le no we wang atom ji yaruina open sami shon sara. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now let us welcome LS Ungnayo and Ben with a big round of applause.
Check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Check. Guitar. Guitar. Check. Hello. Volume good. Chừng cất vào guitar khẳng thế được xem cơ sắc bài lòng này hen sara right jam check yêu guitar bằng tiếp các bạn hello check original la sara the hang in original sao bài ra lùng chán la sara the hang in ho Sorry, lùng chán làm sao mà cô lùng chán là cái chung cái tầm cái sao tầm ra hay này cái river tầm mực lẽ thì số đó akamang sami rồi firstly chui chile program cấp sang cái chile itum phasa mà là cái là savase chung cái này cái quý vị là cái sami cái lùng chán là cái thằng này á yêu tiếp bom nhiều trọng guitar Matay mashali makau kadavali Yong ti hao nga shang nama ka kwirang
ทั้งห้องวิเนอาจงวินิชจีชอบสังหารอีนิ่งลีช่วยไม่ได้เมื่อไรอาจทำก็ชีดาอะไรมั่งฉันเลยมาที่มาฉันเลยมาเขาก็ตาบลียองที่หาวเงือฉันมาก็คุยรังอาตมเนเคลาเดที่มามาอีนิ่งลีเงยไหลเมta nai ga bai hi ga ta lay shad win bu kan ba ari mang shan the lily ma tai ma shali ma ko ka ta bli yong ti hao nga shan ma ka quira some he sang a show no what's up in the right look who the cut the high who gloomy la con ari mang shan the lily ma tai ma shali ma ko ka ta bli yong ti hao nga shan ma ka quira Ari mang shan the lily ma tai ma shali ma ko ka davli yong ti hao nga shan ma ka quiram ka dong sa say ari mang shan the lily ma tai ma shali ma ko ka davli yong ti hao nga shan ma ka quira Joe, got it last no way, ni shall go. Che, atam malem ni da akam ang soro yanas akam ang ay natangay sa rashik sana. Oh, lahi, are kui shava vena kagapilane. Chalaka, April miyogachang ya. April yoga changa choni yo mei ko a chon chan ha ning shin ri a chon chan ha na hui ri a chon mai ting na khang ngan ri li khang heo ta 1976 one iwi banga nalaga nali kaba kui hai ro mayirna lali mika haida hitarani leiga shivu kining pa ningda yongza sanido mayoka jangda hiliacho we menali nereu benga shoning li nereu benga shonali mayo keja tem hili Yar shawi minga jotina wi vange jotko gokti koni shimri ko ajon liven quikangai hitara kena quikamati nequimita nili chukri papada nawi yasho ilima lai hao le ba a chon de lai hao le ba a chon de
LS Unayo and the band Ning Shi Kajangate Ning Mayung Lak Kai Kalalish Lak Kai La Sami Kai Chiwang Atom Gajida Longchan Lahi Sami Jinglo Itum Kuni Todd Wilongli Longchan Lahi Revive Kasadar Karsai the Taikwe Ning Shi Nutumna Matalagana perform Sami Kai Chiwang. Thank you so much. Itumna program Kup Sangbak my Rek Vaisau say Ari Tum a vote of thanks we Atom Quick Vaisara Jena Quirang Quimia Ungshi the convener of the organizing committee of TFPA Award Night 2022. Nali vote of thanks we wang Atom Midley Nana no Atom Kaka Quimilo.
mà thầy rồi yêu à giấc thầy cái phật dập níu nhá Okay, Tangkhul program we best part is in the war. Ning shi ga mi samsa ga bai ka chung ga le issue we actually event hida organize ka sai government funding la ki kam le manai tha sai je la itum ko ka sa da ka tom rok la ga hida event hi singak shap nei khre sa da itum lik sa va bre li ning shi singet kamatha kalai tum na langchin sa khai zmi shoi matha la kai na ungshung sak la ga ya karing pha da program sakhui kang sak sang sak khai wang ning shi chung ka phongshok de le ye issue we masogo kala issue we guest of honor natum li ka cham tharan mata ant tu peina ko tom ngai rewe nei tum khni thot pingli ra ka tomi khai wang ning shi chung ka phongshok de le issue we I special guest from Imphal Darenti and Goromangi. Thank you so much for coming all the way from Imphal in spite of your tight schedule. And from the organizing committee, we would like to present you a small token of appreciation. So I request my co-convener, Mr. Kayui, to please come up on the stage and give them the presentation.
Yarina Pangapimi Manse, thank you.
Goramangi Singh Moirang Them. Next we have Botsangbam Reniti Singh. Aling Soga the Tanga Mikai Ojama Tanbi, Ning Shikjung Pongshok the Lay.
Sorry to interrupt. Daso, thank you so much for everything. I sanavadi phangaudia because of whatever the first year that you have done for me in Goa. Thank you so much. And the funny thing, I met IM Bijan in Kerala for Santosh Trophy this time. And what he said to me was, I was so happy. I was Mana Harak said, he learned Hindi from Kiran Khongsa and you. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Jaina, iwi yashong hili boster haga thai daglehi achiwi event mapung pang sak daglehi hiping in ne. In a abu hangta mange chiping in a stage liga laga ishiwi legacy pangrani kakao manlo. Event partner being here, we have UFC gym. He players pingwang kanala kaina UFC gym in Fali achu hili lonsaure in Fali pam daglebing. Achiwi facilities si katong na to enjoy sa ko beira ji hangaye. And next we have Downtown Cafe. Atam gachida tergar kasali request kasali ungoi ai masa pa imra gachim leila ta mata antu pe na welcome salaga paisa mang maning la ka shagzaina ngchon mission dagle Downtown Cafe. Chui next ready samilo shim computer works. Actually, issue program printing sa katong hi paisa mo khilagla ashina print klema na sa kami itum la shogra da le players pingile katom lagra da ashina print sa kami ning shik jung phong shok le shim computer work. Ada han jivak ba lei the appetite enhance sak vai kishi gang rang sak dak lei nei yari kishi ga beer ka samilo masang la show right. Okay, we in moment lei ka actually issue we stage lighting sound system katong hi agato hosna na mathan tu pina ada
claim chow manim go claim chow manim ne ka tha sai chila ka shopping nang the reduce some like 50% mang kui like he sakla kai na organize and the sagami ne ning shi jong phong shok de le shok ra de le itu milang san au bing le or khani thol le tom ngang la khai yar shok ne konyos hill konyos. Okay, issue achu event hili apam hili mara zanglala apam ngatai da pam salala itumui YouTube li mathala kai na issue event hi yang rockstar dak lai nei comment kamatha ka chung ra zang dak lai hi issue ari live khumi dak lai Ahor MaySix hi ai to le win nei pre ani pre khani ra laga itum li ra ka tomi dak lai nei Chena shim la ponda ka mila golo duplicate baje Chena ya kamatha da organize size hal shimung jena itum memories ki kam lay samra kam memories like vaida ishio akto tin base studio we proprietor originally yar show so mi pay nanala kagamilo
photo sam pangai ka pang lai ka phemi lau wang yes
next see house services ki ba shikla mathai today house services na event partner ka sada ngchon da klei ne china house services we behind the screen lam ya khlai go china sha chon da kala ka chingra da house services we pangran ji ka ka ke myoron atam zangai re ya repair ka sami zai kyubang le jika hiya ka kamatha event sa tak le hiping we initiative wang en sak shop ne ji chena ya rin tyo me ka pang ka phen la ka to milak sai ji hangai nextly izo ring phala ke Tangkhuli packaged drinking water first produced sak shop hi izo ba shine ashin ring phala ke na achi we issue mang vai tru ka tong hi ashin sponsor sa ka mi ne event ka chung le la sponsor sa mi le Next, we have Maypung Production. Maypung Production he ada jiham khawai leaning shoulder hi ashila ke. Targar saling inding sa shon ki ji Maypung Production ne. Next, we have El Shang. El Shang he la ada business mathala ke sa takli firm khane Ashina atam gachida TFP li mam lailak mane arira shungda achu event la gotomi de kleine And next we have RTLM Brothers Private Limited from Imphal, a good friend of mine coming all the way from Imphal to attend this particular program. I request Milan to please come up on the stage. He na UFC we proprietor Manipur we ana franchise ana own gsane. Okay, chain ara donors ping chungale kai ping live in mutum da ba bo hui gau gida ada leadership angranjila in the private ni khwa myo ge ti samsa lwe ge yari bing lika donors bing aman mingji na tyong me ga pashok mi ge we have ZEO Ukrul. Next sorting gashung Akui Shimre, Umpam Rai Khan, Shimryo Vashum, Jerry Muinao, Ramuning Riva, Shangam Shalio, Awosomi Saril, we have Ken Rai Khan, and we have Itan Shinlai. They being live Atumi Memento Ji in the past Samyaway. Ka Achima Tailakina, Atang Ring Palakina Itumna Atay Shaikwi Haiji, issue with cake, she killed Pinao, sponsor Sakamine. Ka each information la Malaysia together awi memento maran mitre ka in shimli kramira sage yarina kills okay awi kechi any event le saka
ka to mi laga promote sa mi laga lo mi lak sei ji hang sangai ye chena we have ka ben now atang la ba show kai re ka ning shilak he issue is stage ka tong hi our initiative kui laga saga kui ne chena oh no we ran mi la ka kui la go jo iwi voda thanks are kup ke chere chunglim de pathruk shik mang le le akhamai thumna media li issue events agai ka tong hi ka thai samang lira hi yukrul journalist pingwi through in samang region ashili la ning shikujung bong shok te le kala ache ring pha make up ji issue wi csos ka chung razang le sabai ka shimang ning ga mi lo jo aming jiwa kim sa le ge le akshimang pang ka phe miao se CSO hi wa ka chung razang de TKS wi la TMNL wi la ungna long ZTKL ka chung razang de ya va mention sa le ge kan ni shere hida da na tung mi support hi a che na ma tangai la shok ra da le khni thot ping li na tung mi initiative wi la ka promote salak sei ge ji hang sangai le chena issue wi invitees na tumrazang sakshi ba program hi success ki saur itum ya ka matha da arrange sai sala na tumrazang ka program hi success samre na tumrazang wi wang itum program success ana ki ni na tumli mention sa da ngai le kala issue wi players being initiate na tumna atumi khangre wi atam sak chung le sala la program hi wang da apam khangthei na razang da le radak le wang na tumli ning shi chung pong shok te le ki hi nigishi pong chok tale kala issue program than mi khai ping athang how ko pokena how pok laga program li jang laga thanra mi khai ping siasa mi khai ping hi avu mention masal we ge khani share ko ji na tumli hang shibun ngai le issue artist la ma thala ke na ya really lum la ke na program yem pum pung phang sa khai bi wang na tumli ning shi chung pong chok tale kha remind ari hangau ge fees wa khitio lo pai ko ji wa mind sa vai ro ko chena arama ishi phaza goega khana binga ga zdaura kha khuni thoti thum pam phulung rako we have DJ night chena hui DJ night hi ishi we augustine samira ning shi gujung bong shok tale kala achi we program hi we volunteers meizaling youth na mathala gaina sami khai wang na chone ning shi ku chung kha bong shok tale kala mathai me kap da football li le shla kaina thangchi da itumi football li wang da promotes our like contribution summit the claim sai corally ning shinair ko ji hang ngai kala ishikla thang go ge organizing committee tundun shan program hi wang success ag vai wang the ishi organizing committee ot sami khaina tum sai corally ning share ko ji hang ji fundle TFB wak paina egoda hi milagolo je da ya ribing di kisau ge iwi bookstore hi atam ge ji da ashiwi any issue any forms saniga cham khawai ashile sa shone chena iwi bookstore la le shi pangrana ka mingai le mara sala la akhna khara ko miolo atam jang pai cho and friends from Imphal Angos 19H, thank you so much for coming all the way to attend this particular program. Thank you so much. Iwi ji Ari ning shimi khai ji maka paisang sala la main masami lo chi tat khai le sala la ada ma in mahang sala la na tumli psychorally ni shinair ko ji hin thang go ni shinair
Convener Organizing Committee kuirung kuimi aungshi ning share mthala kaina share sami kai woni gishitui kala Tangkhul Football Players Association ning shimidle personally ilila ita program li opportunity kamiwang kujung ring pa tam sai. All right, we have come to the end of the program, but ari kup sangai laga phaja khwe laga Atang Hangai that we have a DJ night, a very special DJ night. And then actually he kikat haglej look at ladies, look at the men in front of you. Top shelf. Top the meaning la finest men in town, draped in suits. You know, you wouldn't find this kind of gentlemen gathered together in one place anywhere like this. So you'll have the opportunity to dance with them tonight, right? And then, like a interesting look at the number of girls and look at the number of these boys. Ladies and gentlemen, lejena, kathadarma arrange sa niklam temne boys, kitioka, sherlo dance kasachi, and then COVID mashman narangi maintain some distance. Yeah, and then la noping tioka mahelia cheva. You are shopping. Here come man the suit sanga. You are cooking rata the clean to my nature chakoi sang room kida clayjili. Yeah. All right. Acha katonga itum sang room seriously. And then one more thing to the viewers online. Thank you so much for joining us in this program. We are grateful to you. Ntum comment lum lao lagay na may sumgbom thada sada clayji. Itum la zangay lagay DJ night ilan tum sang milushidlo. Online pamao yang ita DJ night masak pa yung full volume li kong all woofer lipan all dance enjoy. Arma ishi DJ we're Augustine natumuiwang la special request kuila kasami re. All right, so thank you all so much for making this program a success. Let us all clap for ourselves tonight for making this success. Thank you. We have made this program a success, a very historic night. And best wishes to the Tangkhul Football Players Association, especially to the youngsters who have a long way to go. Are itum kukusang sada kala pazat wivang seha sakwai wang in a queer Hormi Shangmui now, the Youth Secretary of Tangkhul Baptist Churches Association li request sangadlay na tangkhul kakwimilo.
Seyasa se. Rekhumdaya kasakva vivra proho namingli ningshiye. Tangkhul Football Players Association. Nana katana pingwi ningli kasat milga pasok nasakta. Vivra nali ningshilako katana pinglila ningshi kuchunga midale atumna ning rindak le katong aji ungshung kawai katana pinglila vivra nana somilo. Kala hikata association kalay mga aina. Lang may da higita saman kayaw ngaran ngaye hina Tangkhul kanui thot ka chunga discipline lay lak gahay khang thei lak gahay hot na ngai lak gahay kanui thot ka chunga shokrano aring yawi ngaran ngaye chingri aina kupsang kami wang rivrana lining shit lak hay re hinang soda rivrana na so mi da ngaran mi gahay ka shakaza kala ngaran mi da kalay sheba bingli lanan so mi da Kashagaza Hillanan so milo, itum hiza huilaga, pasakamata, sambangda yang bangshap mirin yena, no wivang take madekavai, ringeda, saikori hivang itumling a tangamia, Jishu Christo we ming sing the gabone. Amen.
Yarina, Pazat quick vai, mine remiolo. Gala, Achuwe, a word sampangahaya. Yar koka bing no tum gatongana photo shoot we wang banner tet idakle stage we right back pali tet idakle cover milo amakap quick vice house. Requesting each and every one of us to have the meal together. The meal is ready to be served. Please enjoy the meal.